Find or read reviews that people are talking about AutoSky 4-in-1 jump starter with air compressor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 4-in-1 emergency power solution. Jump start your car, inflate tires, charge your devices, and light your way all with one compact tool. The perfect roadside companion for any driver. Powerful 1200 amp jump starter. Start most 12-volt vehicles, up to 6.0-liter gas or 4.0-liter diesel, with ease. Get back on the road quickly, even in cold weather. For gas engines up to 6.0-liter and diesel up to 4.0-liter, powerful enough to start most cars, SUVs, and light trucks with standard 12-volt batteries, including AGM, GEL, and wet cell types. Built-in digital tire inflator. Inflate your car or bike tires on the go. Set your desired pressure and the compressor stops automatically, no guesswork, no overinflation. Multi-mode LED flashlight. Stay safe at night with a bright built-in flashlight featuring standard, SOS, and strobe modes. Perfect for emergencies or camping. USB power bank on the go. Charge phones, tablets, and more with built-in USB ports. Always have backup power when you need it most. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.